Everyone. Today I bring you how to use the AWS EMR to run a Spark word count of a simple text file, which I already uploaded into one of my bucket here. It's called input.txt. And I already have this EMR clustering working and waiting for jobs. Now I open up the SSH link, to the cluster, and we run the word count.py. And it's up and running right now. Yep, so you can even see in the process here that we already got the answer from the word count of the text file. We also would have an output which we can check the result. Thank you.